my goodness! What will win in a drag race between the new Audi RS5 and a BMW M3 Competition? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Car Wow. Let me tell you about this Audi RS5. It's got a 2.9 litre twin-turbo V6, but it's supplemented with an electric motor and some batteries. As a result, we've got 639 horsepower, 825 newton meters of torque, driving all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. However, due to the hybrid tech, it's quite heavy, weighing at 2.4 tons. That BMW keeps it simple. It's just got a 3 litre straight-six twin-turbo petrol engine, producing 530 horsepower and 650 newton meters of torque. Drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. But because it doesn't have all that hybrid gubbins, it's a lot lighter than this, 600 kilos lighter than this car. And we're going to find out whether hybridization actually gives you better performance or if it's just some cheat code to get these performance cars through tough EU emissions laws. All right, Nick, you ready for this?
Oh, I'm so ready for this. That RS5, it's always sort of played second fiddle to the M3 ever since this new generation came out all those years ago, but I think this might be the first time that has a chance of beating this M3.
Well, I certainly have more power and torque, but I also have more bulk. This is sort of the battle of the bulge, isn't it?
That car actually reminds me of Tom Hardy when he was in Batman, because he was in like Inception and he was quite svelte, and then he put on like hundreds of pounds, suddenly grew an extra foot and wore a mask, and that car kind of ticks all those boxes.
See what he's saying with that? Good analogy. Hopefully this is going to be good at drag racing. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Caught napping on the line.
Oh, my launch control! Oh!
Come on, RS5, you got this.
Oh, come on, M3!
Yeah!
Pull it back, don't embarrass me now, come on!
He's coming back now. Oh, I've got enough space, come on, come on. Mate, what were you doing? You were like half asleep, late night.
It was, but that's not the reason. See, I'd forgotten, it's been ages since I've driven an M3. I've forgotten how long it takes to prep launch control in these things. So I'm sitting here for like ages and it's not saying launch, it's not saying launch. At the very last second, it finally does, but I don't think it had full boost. I don't think it was producing, you know, all of that power to really ping you off the line.
Doesn't matter, mate. It's 1-0 to me. Now, we're going to come back to the drag racing in a bit, but first, let's get the cars warmed up so we can see what happens with the drag racing later on. But before that, let's do a rolling race. It's 50 miles an hour over the half mile. We're going to be in comfort mode, but I have this cheat code called Boost. And when I press that, I get full power. Even if I'm in like balanced or comfort, it's going to give me all the oomph to the electric motor. So it should really help me kick this thing off down the runway when I say go. He doesn't have that. That's the benefit of a hybrid. All right, Nick, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm on boost. Boosting.
Oh, he's ahead of me.
Wait, it's not making that much difference. What?
Come on, straight six. Beat that hybrid.
What? How? No. Stop it.
Yes, here we go. Yes, we're ahead now.
So, hey! Hey! No! Why? For a car that's in efficient mode, I don't think it was being that efficient. It was burning some serious fuel right there.
Yeah, maybe it's efficient because it beat you efficiently. It used exactly as much fuel it needed to just get ahead of you and stay ahead.
And it totally did as well. I'm humiliated. Let's see if I can do any better if I'm in full attack mode and manual gear changes. All right then, Nick, let's get into it. Third gear roll on. Pressing boost. 3, 2, 1, go. Ouch, threw that right in my nuts. That hurt. Boost works.
Here comes the weight penalty.
but not by enough. It was closer. Oh, I've got that horrible sick feeling. Yeah, you won.
Yeah, I did. I'll be honest, I was a little bit worried at first. That boost mode definitely seems to help, doesn't it? This just doesn't pick up as quickly, but this is a complete package. It doesn't need the hybrid system, does it?
No, I did a brake test. This is going to be bad now. I'm really going to fill my 600 kilos of extra bulk. Let's do it. Oh, I think there is a way I can beat him though. Not necessarily with this, but the next challenge after this, I think the RS5 will win. All right, and let's do it. 100 miles an hour, full emergency stop. Which car will win?
Stop!
Oh, hello. What just happened? BMWs are famous for having poor brakes on their M cars, and even though you've got, I think the gold ones are the carbon ceramics, and we've warmed them up. What has happened, Nick?
I have no idea. I was just hoping and praying that at some point you'd slide past my A-pillar and I'd win, but no, it stops, doesn't it? I'll give you that.
Let's just check the braking that I didn't cheat.
Your brake lights came on really soon then.
My brake lights were on way sooner than Nick's, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, let's go again.
Yes!
Oh dear. Do you think it's the weight?
Yeah, I think that might have 1 or 2 or 600 little things to do with it. Yeah, it could be.
Do you know what we should do, Nick? See if it's the weight or whether it's me. Do you want to swap cars?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm curious to see, actually.
This could humiliate me. Okay, so not quite so bad. Oh, do you know what I noticed? The Audi rings spin on the stop.
Yeah, I noticed that. They're pretty good, actually. I think this is exactly the same result.
I think we can confirm that the BMW brakes in a shorter distance than the Audi.
Absolutely. Yeah, no doubt about that.
Let's just do a quick sound check. See which car sounds the best. I've got a softie, but it's all right. Let's hear yours. Okay, you win by default by not having a soft limiter. Well done, you. Let's race.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Look at that boost button do its job. I've dropped him.
Oh God, he absolutely flew ahead of me there.
For now, but how long can I stay ahead for? Let's do this, Audi. Let's do this.
Yes, I'm gaining.
We might have it. I've got him at the quarter mile, but will I be able to stay ahead for the half?
Come on.
That boost button does the job, my friend. You got crushed.
That's like a dream ticket scenario for you in that car, isn't it? Like first gear when the engine's kind of lugging away at low revs and I haven't got any boost, and you got some special electric motor hidden in your gearbox, 170 horsepower or whatever extra. That makes a massive difference.
It did, and I got to come clean. I actually had it in auto mode there because otherwise you bounce off the limiter too soon and then you've lost the race. So it's not cheating because it was in first gear, right, Nick?
I mean, it's not like that would have made any difference. If I'd have been in auto, it would have been exactly the same result.
All right, then. We need to do it now, though. Let's do this drag race. Let's see what's what. It's 1-0 to me, remember.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Matt got a great launch.
Got him off the line. Hybrid power for the win! Oh, is he coming back? Oh, my goodness! Keep going!
Oh, this is so close.
Oh dear. Where's my freaking radio?
Oh, he's lost his radio. Can you find me, Matt? I'm hiding somewhere on the floor. Colder. Really cold. Oh, warmer.
I got it. Oh, I had a good launch there. Yours wasn't bad. I thought I was going to win that and you just came past. One each, Nick. This is the decide. If I get a good launch, I'm pretty convinced I'm going to take you.
Let's find out, shall we? I'm buzzing for this one.
Hey, Nick, I've just noticed that this car's something called RS Torque Rear. If I press that, it says do not use on public roads, only used on a closed course racetrack, which is where we are. Let's have some of that, see what it does. See if this car can do a sort of donutty thing.
You cannot be enjoying that, Matt. From where I'm sitting, that just looks painful.
It's pretty ugly and horrible, that is. Let's try the other way.
Oh, here we go.
I've got it locked in.
I take it all back. That got good at the end, didn't it? I mean, it was not bad for an Audi.
But is it as good as a BMW?
Well, I don't know about torque rear, but I can go two-wheel drive, full rear-wheel drive mode.
Oh, that looks better than what I did. Shut up anyway, let's just race.
3, 2, 1.
He's got me off the line, that is the best start he's had. Yes. Oh my goodness, and he's just gapping me.
Pulling away now.
It's embarrassing for Audi lovers everywhere. Neck and neck off the line. You finally had a good start, and when it is even off the line, we get to see the difference, don't we?
Yeah, and it's a profound difference. That 600 kilos is really holding you back.
I think we've answered the question, haven't we really? Is hybrid technology there to improve a car's performance, or is it just some form of cheat code for EU emissions laws?
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think it's going to get any better either, is it? This M3 right here, I think, is peak car.
Do you know what? I think is right. So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. The Audi took 11.8 seconds. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. But maybe the case against hybrids isn't set in stone just yet. You need to see this video here where I race the BMW M5 against the previous generation. Maybe the latest hybrid BMW can do the job. Anyway, watch that video to find out. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we've got some more drag races coming out soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.